Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what's coming up, Aquarius. We'll be picking few cards, guys, from this deck for your daily energy. This is for your daily energy, Aquarius. We'll be picking one card, guys, for your career and for your relationship, guys. And I'll be picking one card from the angel deck. That is the angel's guidance, guys. So this is the card, the angel guidance card. So for your daily energies, Aquarius, Four of Swords. So with this card here, guys, maybe you are taking a moment of rest, taking a break in your day, maybe uh, away from some stressful situations. You just want to be silent, think deeply what you need to do about your situation. So you are finding that stillness, silence in yourself today, and you are trying to reach out to your inner strength. That is what I see here, and knowledge regarding your situation. So you are thinking deeply what is your next plan of action. And for your career situation, guys, judgment in reverse. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, for you, maybe for some of you all, you may feel that you are not able to do what you want to do in your career. So some kind of weakness is there today, and you are faced with a certain decisions that you need to make, and you may be feeling weak because of that. Some because of your situation, maybe, guys, you are not able to get the desired results, and things are not going as expected. So that may be the reason for this weakness or stress today, guys. That is what I feel. And what is the card for your relationship, Aquarius? Ace of Pentacles. So with this card here, uh, some new beginnings coming your way, guys. Maybe that is the reason that you are thinking within yourself, taking time. You want to make that clear decision about this relationship, whether you want to accept that proposal or not. So that is why you're thinking deeply about your situation or about this proposal, guys. So let us see what is the oracles guidance, guys, this angel oracle. So this card may or may not relate to your situation, guys. It is just a guidance, so whatever that will help to make our day better. So for this, for your Aquarius, it is be strong. So with this card, guys, uh, for your day, whatever you need to do, you have to be that person people can rely on, guys. So in whatever tough situations, you have to be that rock on which people rely on and derive that strength and determination to stand up for that situation or for themselves. So in your life, with the people whom you are with, your family, friends, you should have that strength, courage, and you should be able to support them with that balance, compassion, and understanding. So whatever that works towards building that strength in everybody, so you should be able to do that. You should be that supportive person. So that is the angels guidance for you all, guys. So when you need them, they can be there for you the same way you should be there for this person whenever they need you. So that is the guidance here, and that is the reading for today, Aquarius. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.